Hello students. In our last lecture, we had a discussion about what is foreign exchange quotation and how to construct a foreign exchange quotation. What is bid rate, what is ask rate, what is direct and indirect quotation, and how to calculate inverse quotation. In today's lecture, we will move further in forex arithmetic and we will see how to calculate mid rate, spread rate and percentage spread. Spread is the difference between offer rate and purchasing rate. Simply, you can calculate spread by subtracting bid from ask. Bid is your purchasing rate and ask is your selling or offer rate. And when you find out difference between ask and bid, the answer is called as spread. So, when you are dealing in foreign exchange currencies, and if you find out difference between selling rate of forex and buying rate of forex, then it is called as calculation of spread. Formula of spread is on the screen. Spread is equal to ask minus bid. Okay. For example, if current exchange rate is USD INR 74.30, 74.40. Okay, so in this case, this is your bid and this is your ask. Now, if you put these values in the formula, that is 74.40 minus 74.30. So your answer will be 0.10. So your spread is 0.10. Next concept is mid rate. Sometimes mid rate is also expressed or called as mean rate, flat rate or average rate. Mid rate is nothing but to calculate the middle point or midpoint of bid and ask rate. When you find out midpoint between bid and ask, that particular point is called as mid rate. As I said, mid rate is also called as average rate. So it is simply average of ask and bid. So when you add ask plus bid and divide them by 2, you will get mid rate. We will use the same quotation and find out the mid rate. Ask is 74.40 plus bid is 74.30 upon 2. So when you will add, you will get 148.7 divided by 2. So your mid rate will become 74.35. So you will notice that it is the point between 40 and 30. So 35 is the actual midpoint between 40 and 30. The similar way, you will get the answer 74.35. Next is percentage spread. So when we want to find out spread percentage, we have to first find out spread rate and divide the spread rate by using ask value or offer rate. So formula for spread percentage is spread upon ask into 100. But alternatively, we can use the formula ask minus bid upon ask into 100. Now we will use again same quotation USD INR 74.30, 74.40. We will put the figures over here. Ask is 74.40 minus 74.30 upon 74.40 into 100. So after putting the values, you will get the answer 0.00134 into 100. So final answer will be 0.134. whatever number is there, you can write 4 digit 5 digit, जो भी है उसको कवर करके इसका एक्यूरेट आंसर आगे लेके जा सकते हो. Okay, so basically what we got from this particular video, that spread rate, when you want to find out, spread rate is equal to ask minus bid. This is nothing but the difference between ask and bid. Secondly, mid rate, it is ask plus bid upon 2. So this is average or midpoint of ask between ask and bid. Third is spread percentage. This is spread upon ask into 100. So ask minus bid upon ask into 100. So it will be expressed in percentage form. Okay. Now looking into the same question, we can have one more practice question, that is Euro USD 1.5100, 1.5200. By using this quotation, we have to find out spread, means spread rate, mid rate and spread percentage. First, spread. So spread is equal to ask minus bid. Here it is 1.5200 minus 1.5100, means 0.010. Now we will find out mid rate. Formula: mid rate is equal to ask plus bid upon 2. 1.5200 plus 1.5100 upon 2. So total will be 3.0300 upon 2. Final answer 1.5150. Third, it is spread percentage. Formula is spread upon ask into 100 or ask minus bid upon ask into 100. You have already ask minus bid calculated over here. Use simply same figure over there. 0.0100 upon ask is 1.5200 into 100. Final answer 0.006 0.657 into 100. So last figure will be 0.6578%. Okay, hope all of you have got the idea of how to calculate spread rate, mid rate, spread percentage. Thank you. Have a nice day.